Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of lemon water and exploring the incredible transformations that occur in your body when you make it a daily habit. Lemon water, with its zesty flavor and remarkable health properties, has been a popular choice for centuries. Before we reveal these fantastic benefits, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing health insights. If you have any personal experiences or questions about lemon water, please share them in the comments below. Now let's dive in. 1. Improved hydration. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most crucial benefits of lemon water: improved hydration. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can kickstart your hydration, helping to replenish fluids lost during sleep. 2. Rich source of vitamin C. Lemon is a vitamin C powerhouse. Drinking lemon water provides a healthy dose of this essential nutrient, which supports your immune system, skin health, and may even reduce the duration of colds. 3. Digestive aid. Lemon water can aid digestion by promoting the production of stomach acids and bile. It's also known to relieve indigestion and bloating, making it an excellent choice after meals. 4. A natural detoxification. Lemon water acts as a gentle detoxifier, supporting your liver and kidneys in removing toxins from your body. The citric acid in lemons encourages the liver to produce enzymes that aid in detoxification. 5. Weight management support. For those on a weight management journey, lemon water can be a secret weapon. It may help control appetite, thanks to its fiber content, and the natural acidity can improve metabolism. 6. Fresher breath. Suffering from morning breath? Lemon water can help freshen your breath due to its natural antibacterial properties. It's a simple and natural way to start your day with a breath of freshness. 7. Skin glow and clarity. Lemon water's vitamin C content does wonders for your skin. It supports collagen production, promoting a radiant and youthful complexion. Plus, the hydration it provides can reduce dryness and blemishes. 8. Alkalizing effect. Despite being acidic in nature, lemon water has an alkalizing effect on your body. Maintaining a balanced pH level is essential for overall health, and lemon water can help achieve this balance. 9. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues. Lemon water's antioxidants may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 10. Enhanced mood and energy. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can boost your mood and energy levels. The scent of lemons alone has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, while the combination of hydration and nutrients can provide an energy lift without the crash associated with caffeine. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can lead to a multitude of benefits, from improved hydration and a vitamin C boost to enhanced digestion, detoxification, and potential support for your weight management goals, among others. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Your well-being is our priority. Thank you for joining us today. Your support keeps us motivated. If you have personal experiences or insights about drinking lemon water, please share them in the comments. Your wisdom might inspire others to embrace this simple yet powerful habit. If you would like to learn about 14 anti-aging drinks that will give you a youthful appearance, please watch the video displayed on the screen now. Remember, small changes in your daily routine, like enjoying lemon water, can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. Stay well, stay informed, and we'll catch you in our next video.